Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. I hope you are doing well. Today I have brought a very useful job update, especially for freshers who want to start their career in IT but are looking for a role where hardcore coding is not mandatory. Yes, the opportunity I am sharing today is for Power Platform developer. Many people think that if you want to work in IT, then you must do full-time coding, but let me tell you honestly, this role is completely different. Because Power Platform is a low-code, no-code career path where most of your work is done using Microsoft tool with drag and drop features, automation blocks, and ready-made connectors. So even if you are from non-coding background or coding is not your strength, still this role can be a great starting point in the IT field. And one more important thing, right now Power Platform is one of the fastest growing technology. Why? Because companies today want to automate their work, build internal app quickly and reduce manual efforts. So that's exactly where Power Platform is helping companies a lot. That's why companies are hiring for this role in large numbers and freshers have a good opportunity here. So friends, make sure you watch this video till the end and don't skip any part because you might miss some important information that can help you crack this opportunity. So now, without any delay, let's go step by step and understand the complete job details. The role they are hiring for Power Platform developer. Now coming to the location, this opportunity is based out in Bangalore Mahadevpura and the work mode is hybrid. That means you won't be working from office daily. It will be a mix of office and work from home. Mostly it will be like 3 days work from office and 2 days work from home. For freshers, this hybrid model is really helpful because an office day you can learn faster, interact with the team, and understand real work culture. And on the other day, you get the comfort and flexibility of working from home. And the office time is the general shift, that is 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. IST. Now let's understand about what kind of work you will be doing in this role. As a Power Platform developer, your main responsibility will be to build app and automate tasks using Microsoft Power Platform. So you will be working on the tool like Power App, Power Automate, Power BI, and Dataverse. And I want to make one thing very clear here again. This is not a hardcore developer job. This is a low-code, no-code type role where instead of writing long programs, you mostly build solutions using ready-made template, drag and drop a screen, automation step, and business workflow. Now coming to day-to-day work, you will be doing things like understanding requirements from the business team, creating app screen and forms in Power App, setting up automation flow in Power Automate, building approval process and alert, connecting app with tools like SharePoint, Excel, Outlook, or Microsoft Team, creating basic dashboard or report in Power BI, testing everything properly and fixing issues if anything goes wrong. So overall, the role is all about creating a smart automation and app for business without needing heavy programming skill. Now let's quickly understand who can apply for this role. This opening is mainly meant for fresh graduates. So if you have recently completed your studies and you are searching for good entry-level IT role, this can be a strong option. In terms of qualification, candidates from BTECH, BE, MCA are eligible to apply. One small but important thing, companies prefer regular mode education and they may also check if you have any major education gap. So before applying, just make sure your documents are proper and updated. Now let's talk about the skill needed for shortlisting. For this role, the company will mainly look for good communication skill, confidence and clarity while explaining things, basic understanding of business requirement, strong logical thinking and problem solving mindset, willingness to learn Microsoft tool and new technologies. The best part is you don't have to be perfect or expert from the day one. If your basics are clear and you have the right learning attitude, then trust me, you can easily clear the interview and grow fast in this role. Now let's come to the technical part. Even though this is a low-code, no-code role, you still need to have a solid understanding of Microsoft Power Platform tool because in the interview, they will definitely check whether you know how things work practically. So first let's talk about Power App. Here you should have basic knowledge of Canvas app fundamental, like how screens are designed, how forms are used for data entry, and how galleries work for showing list of records. Along with that, you should also understand some common functions such as if, filter, and lookup because these are used frequently when building real apps. Next is Power Automate. In this tool, you should clearly understand how triggers and action work, that is, when it starts the flow and what step happens after that. You should know how to create flow step in the correct order, how to use conditions and basic logic, and most importantly, how to automate business process like approvals, email alert, and notifications. This is one of the most important area because automation is a key part of this role. Now coming to the Power BI, at least basic knowledge will be very helpful. You should know how dashboard and reports are created, how to work with charts, filters and basic report building concepts, just enough to understand how data is visualized and shared with users. If you already know some additional topics, it will definitely give you an advantage. For example, SharePoint integration, Dataverse, and even a basic understanding of API. APIs are not mandatory, but if you understand the basics, it becomes a plus point in interview. But friends, don't worry, you are not expected to write long program or do hardcore coding here. This role is mainly about automation, logic building, and creating business solutions using these Power Platform tools. Now let's understand how is the interview process. Generally, selection will happen in 3 rounds, so you can prepare accordingly. The first round will be a screening or online interview. In this round, they mainly focus on your self-introduction, your communication skills, and whether you have basic understanding of our platform. If you clear first round, then you will move to second round, which is the technical round. Here they usually ask practical and scenario-based questions. For example, how will you automate a leave approval process or how will you create an app to manage employee detail? They want to check your logical thinking and how well you understand the tools. And finally, the last one will be third round, the HR round. This is basically for final confirmation, salary or joining discussion, documentation and onboarding detail. Now let me share a few important points that will help you prepare in the right way. If you really want to boost your selection chances, please don't ignore preparation because in Power Platform interview, they won't just check your theoretical knowledge, they will mainly focus on whether you can actually build app and automation practically. So first thing, create at least one simple mini project. Trust me, even one small project is enough to show your skills like leave approval workflow, employee data entry app, or a ticket raising and automation system. And second, practice Power App and Power Automate regularly. Try to spend 2-3 hours daily so you get hands-on confidence. Practice things like building a small screen and forms in Power App, creating flows in Power Automate with triggers, action, and conditions. Third, understand common business scenario because company mostly work in real problems like approval and request, email or team notifications, saving data in SharePoint or Dataverse, and creating reporting dashboard. And one more important thing, while attending interview, don't just say I know Power App. Explain your project properly. Tell what problem you solve and what tools you use and how the workflow works. If you build even one small project and explain it confidently, it will make a big difference. Most freshers only talk about skills, but if you show practical work, interviewer gets impressed. Your project becomes proof of your knowledge and give you a clear advantage over others. Now friends, coming to the application process, it's a very simple and quick. You just need to send your updated resume. The mail ID is recruitment@linksy.in. Before sending your resume, make sure it is properly updated and you have mentioned your Power Platform skills, mini projects, and certifications. That will improve your chances of shortlisting. Once you apply, team will review all application, shortlist relevant candidates, and then they will contact you to schedule the interview round. So don't wait till the last moment, apply quickly and don't miss this opportunity. So friends, this was the complete job update for the Power Platform developer role. And the highlight of this opportunity is no code, low code profile, which make it really suitable for freshers who want to start their IT career without going into hardcore programming. So friends, If you find the update helpful, please don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and subscribe to the channel for more job updates. Thank you so much for watching. See you soon in the next video. Thank you.